The TEFL course that we are going to launch, first edition in January of 2025, will include these components: guided lesson observations, input sessions, teaching practice, reflective practice, 120 hours of study, and certification by CPD UK. I'm going to talk briefly about each of these components. Um, we're a small bunch. There aren't that many of us here this evening, so if you have questions, you don't have to wait until the end. If you want to interrupt, please feel free to do so.
Just one point, which is micro teaching.
Yes. So micro teaching is a type of teaching practice wherein the teachers teach each other rather than teaching real students. And so on this course, we have both micro teaching and teaching practice. Good question, Sherry. Thank you. So we'll begin with guided lesson observations. We will have 90-minute lessons that will be observed by our trainees. These 90-minute lessons will be taught by experienced teachers at the centers at which the TEFL course will be administered. So in Fes and Casablanca, on the premises of Calliope, and we have the pleasure of having the leaders of Calliope here with us this evening, Mr. Debar and Madame Denise. In Rabat, that will be at Bridges. Each of these 90-minute lessons will focus on a specific aspect of teaching EFL and will be followed by a 90-minute debrief. The debrief will be led by one of the trainers on the course and will have candidates doing tasks, replaying and rehearsing parts of the lessons that they've observed, and discussing the merits and the weak points of those lessons. There's no such thing as a perfect lesson, obviously. The reason why we've included this in the course is because there is a serious lack of opportunity for teachers to observe each other. And this is an essential aspect of learning how to teach. Just with anything where we learn something through practice, we need a latent period, a period where we are just observing, learning passively, and making room for practice.